Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones with Amazon Kindle. To do this, first we'll need to click on More, navigate to the settings, enter Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Right here make sure that your Bluetooth is activated. Then you can grab one of your headphones that you want to connect the Kindle with and enter the pairing mode on that pair of headphones. Then navigate to Bluetooth devices, and here it should scan for all of the nearby devices in pairing mode. Select the headset that you want to connect with, and you should be successfully connected with that audio device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.